welcome back to another vlog. So today, as you can see, I'm dressed in black, which means I'm on my way to work. So this here grande lash, because y'all, when I tell you in the morning time, I do not have time to do my brows like at all. Not that I don't have time. I'm thinking about doing is going to Ulta and getting that temporary tint. It's been a lifesaver not to do my brows every day. As far as carving them out, this hair blue. So what y'all been up to? What's been going on with me? I'll go first. If you don't know, if you're new to my channel, um, I have 3 kids, 2 boys, a girl, and my daughter graduated this year. So this is the first time in over 20 years that I will not be getting a child ready for school. It is a little bittersweet because that has been my life, like I said, for over 20 years. My oldest son is 30. No, how old is Marshall? I think he's 30. Okay, Marshall's 30. Mashai would be 25 in August. Only reason why I remember how old he is because he was born in the 2000s. So whatever the year is, that's his age. Be 25 on the 8th. Lord have mercy. My son will be 25, I think, tomorrow, Friday. It is 18, should be 19 November. So I have no more little kids, you all. Kind of like bittersweet, you know, when you've been doing something every day for the past 20 plus years. Over. Now it's like life starts for her. And for her to be 18, graduated, she don't look like an 18-year-old. She look like she could pass for like a 12 or 13-year-old little girl. So it's something that I'm, dealing with. Now it's like, I will soon be an empty nester. She is looking to go to school. To take some time off. And I know some people might not agree with that. Just keep going to school because if you take some time off, you'll never go. That's not the case. It's just that my daughter does not drive. And I only have one car right now. School, it's like how she's going to get there. So that's kind of what we're figuring out now. Get her to start driving, I'm looking to take her to get her license because I don't think it's no more permit because she's 18. Something I have to figure out because, like I said, I had my old car and living in an apartment. One particular day, they decided to tow my car. My other half, what should I do? And he was like, leave it. And I listened, which I shouldn't listen, and just got the car out. So now we down to one car. But yeah, like I was saying, I listened and I shouldn't have because now we down to the one car. So I'm just trying to figure that out the best way possible. Because right now, of course, when she goes to school, it has to interfere with my schedule. I have no problem with that, but again, I just have to figure things out. Take some time off because my daughter struggled in high school. So I said, while we figuring all that out, she can enjoy her little break. She wants to go to school for ultrasound tech. So either that or a nurse. So we just trying to figure out which one. The grandkids did come to visit. Y'all, I was so happy. It was just that they came the week I had to work like 4 days back to back with only 1 day off. During the week, I have 2 days off back to back, but that particular week, I think because I had the weekend off, the little bit of time that I had, well, it wasn't a little bit, they stayed like a week. The time that I had with them, I had such a good time. I insert some video of us. We went to the pool and they had so much fun. Oldest son, he went back to school over in Saudi Arabia. Motivated to film videos. I felt like I don't know what to film. Like I said, my my Louis Vuitton videos always do good, but I don't have no Louis Vuitton to share except for what I have already. I just lost my motivation, but I do love, YouTube. So, way to come back where I don't have to constantly film, YouTube video. I mean, Louis Vuitton videos. Brands that want to send me like replicas, and I don't mind, but on this channel, I have to be careful how I post those type of videos because they will take them down and flag my channel. And I work so hard on this here YouTube channel to get me to where I'm at, and I don't want to, get my channel taken down because of bags that I would never buy. But like I said, I was just incorporating the replicas only because I did want to see like the difference in quality. Like the look of them, just, how they look. So I was having fun with them, I ain't gonna lie. Some of them replicas, I'm like, ooh, child. They be looking like dead on. And now when I'm at work, everybody has a variety of bags, to the real, to the knockoff, the replicas, whatever you want to call them. Like, I see it all in my store, and I see older women, younger women. Like, I see a lot of people wearing those type of bags. So I can't tell on every bag, but Louis Vuitton I can tell. Like, kind of Gucci a little bit, depending on if it's a bag that I have. I can tell, but yeah, you can tell a little bit. That bag not real, but okay, cutie. And like I said, the only reason why I agreed to do the whole replica thing, because y'all know, if y'all OG and Miss Tamika, y'all know I have real bags, Where you carry a Louis bag, you get somebody to say, hey, is that real? Like, why do it matter if it's real or fake? I mean, I don't mind to answer because, I don't care because, like I said, I carry real and the real and the replicas. Why do it matter? Like, why do it matter? When I see somebody with a nice bag, I'll just say, oh, that's cute. I'm not going to say, girl, is that the real Louis? Like, girl, that ain't none of my business, okay? Gears, y'all. We got a lot of stuff that's been coming out new at Sephora, you all. Yo, my girl Jackie Aina, she came out with a new fragrance. Yo, when I tell you that thing. Now, I know a lot of people is not really a big fan of her fragrance. I have all four. Now, of course, I like some better than the other, but the price point for her fragrance I felt like was affordable because it's like, I think her fragrance is either $75 or $79. And to me, full-size fragrance, I felt like that was a good price. So she came up with one. I had my phone over there. I know some of the top notes are vanilla, pistachio, and them two together. And get ready, fix my hair. This Amazon wig, girl. She's still hanging on. She's still hanging on. So I'm going to go ahead and fix myself, and I'll be back, and I'll be sharing with y'all what I packed for lunch. So I'll be back. packing my lunch and getting ready. I wanted to show you really quick because if you don't know, I've been going to Dollar Tree like crazy, like literally every day. Been coming across some books. I'm not a reader, but I am looking to start reading a little more. So I'm going to show you some books that I found at Dollar Tree. Let me know if you read these books or are they good books or what, because they were $1.25. So this one here is the 5 Bad Deeds. I got this one. Go Your Own Way. A Sweet Low Country Proposal. I feel like I saw this at Barnes and Nobles. And y'all, I got these for $1.25. Let me see if they have the original prices. Y'all know I'm a wig girl, okay? So I found this here Softy Prep and Protect Rinse Out Wig Conditioner. It's like a regular conditioner, but it's for wigs. So y'all, again, let me know if you heard anything about these here books that I got from Dollar Tree. One of my Sephora friends went to Turkey, and she got me this here coffee. Now, she's supposed to tell me how to make it because she gave me this to go along with it. So she's supposed to tell me how to make it. And then she also got me some of this. I think it's like candy or like gummies or something. It's pretty good. It's a different texture, but it's pretty good. I got this. Can't wait to try because I am a coffee drinker. The next time I'll see you is maybe on my lunch break because I think I may bring y'all along with me to work today. So I will see you probably on my lunch break. So yeah, y'all have a wonderful, blessed day. Y'all, it's lunchtime, okay? It's 3 o'clock. I have my sandwich. I have my pickles. My chips, because I love chips. Y'all already saw my lunch. And then once I'm done eating, I'm going to do a what's in my bag video. It's the same bag, but I did add some new stuff to it. And then I'm going to also show you what the brand rep gifted me. Oh, and then I have my bottle of water. So once I'm done eating, I'll be right back. So what's in my Bioscience bag first? So here's Bioscience. And what I have a nighttime serum with squalene in it. With a Bioscience squalene toner. Spot vitamin C serum. Mirror. So I got that in my Bioscience bag. Odeon PM. So I have this TheraBreath. If y'all know, they have a mouthwash that I swear by. The 4 friends gave me this, and I've been holding on to it because I'm sure it's a piece of gum that's going to like knock your socks off, okay? And my breath is not kicking that bad. My Dollar Tree hand sanitizer. This here is the Rainbow Sherbet scent. My keys. Oh, I did get my key fob engraved. I don't know if you can see it. It says Hello Kitty. My Chanel card case. Yo, this here I got Estee Lauder. I got from the cosmetic company store, you all. I got this to put some pills in here. Let me put the pills in here because I've been carrying them around. So I got these, I think they Advil or something in here. Hopefully it can close. Okay, so yeah, it closes. Oh, y'all, I have this here Gucci mirror. Oh, gosh, I didn't know music is playing. Oh, my gosh. Mirror that comes in this little cute pouch. I have my cuticle oil. I have my ginger chews. Y'all, I cannot leave the house without them. Another pill holder. Charm that's in here. It fell apart. So yeah, y'all, that's everything I have in my purse. Car. So when I leave tonight, I don't have all this stuff. But I just wanted to chat with you all. I have to hang up because music is playing and y'all probably can hear it. I hope not because I want to upload this video. Sun back. I'm eating these little cookies I got from Aldi, y'all. Y'all don't sleep on Aldi. Aldi got some good stuff, y'all. And I'll see y'all when I get home, I guess.